Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to cancel your Duolingo subscription on Google Play. So guys, if you didn't know, a lot of apps actually are managed. A lot of apps actually have the subscription management in the Google Play Store and not within the app itself. So for example, if I go to settings in here, let me see, where's the settings? All right, so profile and settings, you will see that there's no tab in here to manage your subscription. So instead, we just go back, go into our Play Store, and guys, in here, just click on your profile icon on the top right, and then you go to payments and subscriptions. And in here, guys, pretty much you will have this category to manage all of your billing, all of your payments, subscriptions, your cards, the ones that you use to pay with purchase verifications, everything. And in here, you just go to subscriptions. And in here, if you, of course, ordered and bought the Duolingo subscriptions before, you will see them here. And in here, you can just click on one, or it can be any other subscription from any other app. And then you go unsubscribe or just disable the subscription. And the next time, at the next month of your billing period, the day at which you're supposed to be paying, you're not paying anymore, and your subscription is effectively disabled, and you're done now. Guys, enjoy. If this helps you out, like and subscribe, and see you in the next.